Hey guys, it's Nels. I'm telling you about a new company where you can get some parts. You can see I got some taillights here, you know, truck accessories, parts, etc. But they also carry heavy equipment parts and probably some heavy truck parts as well. And you should check them out over at MyMROmarts.com. They got all kinds of goodies. These taillights are just one of the many things that they have. These in Alexis's truck, because if you can see, which you might not be able to see, but there's tape over this because it's gotten cracked. But we got some nice new ones, and we're going to show you a little bit of putting them in just so you can check them out. So we have these taillights. You can tell they're the Laramie style LED. It's awesome that they could hook up with these. This is a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. You can go look, do your own research, but the 1500s, 2500s, and 3500s all use the same taillights. And a little bit about what we got going on here. We're going to be using this T25 bit driver to take out these screws, top and bottom, and that's what's holding the taillight in. I'm showing you the driver's side taillight right now. The passenger side on this truck, I have an aftermarket gas strut installed, so it's going to be a little bit more in depth, so we're not going to show that side. We're going to show the side that, is easy to get to. Now at home you might have a ratchet or whatever, but you're going to need that T25. And then I'm going to use my my DeWalt impact here. You can see we got this out. These are the tabs I'm saying be careful with, because you might end up snapping them off and you're going to have a bad day, right? But they slide into here, and then obviously it bolts into these holes there. But we have our retainer right here, and we're going to have to pop this little red tab, if you can see that. Fits just like a glove. Take this safety, the lock mechanism, and we're going to slide it back through. Clicked, so it's now locked back in. You line up your tail light in the little slots with the pieces that are into the body. Press, tail light's now in place. It's working, it's looking good.